And how are you? I'm Advocate Gaurav Kumar Gupta. I am Chartered Accountant and MBA Finance and PhD holder. My project है Derivative Market Future Trend Analysis. आज जो हम लीगल एस्पेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, ईबीजीएम आईबीएम रिमेडियम मीन्स होता है ईबीजीएस आईबी रिमेडियम मीन्स होता है where there is a right there is a remedy. The maxim ignorantia juris non excusat का मतलब होता है admit no exception. The maxim d minimize non create lax means होता है law would not take action on a small and traffic. इजुडियम्स जेनरिस मीन्स होता है इजुडियम जेनरिस मीन्स होता है रिस्ट्रिक्ट द मीनिंग ऑफ जनरल वर्ड ऑफ थिंग और मैटर ऑफ द सेम जेनियस एज द प्रीसीडिंग पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स रेशियो decidendi means ratio decidendi means होता है underlying principle legal reasons on which the result of the case depends. Which part of the judgment establish the precedent that is to be followed by the lower courts. Ratio decedent. Ijudium generis means होता है ijudium generis means होता है of the same kind, class या nature. Legal maxim construction ex viscurious actus means a statute should be read as a whole. The expression course shall follow the event implies the successfully party is entitled to his cost. Obiter dicta in legal parlance refers to observation made by a court in a particular case. Hypothetical fact illustration and casual expression made by a court in particular case. Who is amicus curiae? A friend of the court. न्यायालय का एक दोस्त. Who is amicus curiae? The maxim solus populi supreme lex means the welfare of the people is the supreme law. The welfare of the people is the supreme law. In pari delicto means in case of equal fault या गलती. Nemo meritorious post mutual mentil. Nemo meritorious cross mutual mentil means होता है a man will not meet his maker with a lie in his mouth. Die in dim means. D die in dim means. From day to day. Separation very means. Separation very means. Separation of truth. Res nullius means. Res nullius means. Res nullius means. Things belonging to no one. Necessitas non habit ligum means. Necessities non habit ligum means. Necessity knows no law. Necessity knows no law. The legal principle NEC claim ni capricious is in relation to plea of respective title. Readindo signature singulius means. Refer only to the last. Obiter dicta is not binding. Obiter dicta is not binding. Ab invito means. Against the will. Action none. Dater none. Damni facto means. An action is not given to him who is not injured. Cellus populi supreme lax means. Cellus populi super में lax means. Welfare of the people is the supreme law. Dura lax sed lax means. That law is hard but is the law. Cis utritio at alunium non leads means. Make such use of your property as not to injure your night's boards. What do you mean by actus curia niminium garvat? What do you mean by actus curia निमिनम गौरववत? इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग होगा एन एक्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट सेल प्रिजुडिसाइज नो मैन. Prejudice no man. For the purpose of the sincere rule, animals mensuetate nutria. इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग होगा एनिमल्स हार्मलेस बाय नेचर. What does the maxim de minimis non curate lax mean? Law does not take notice of trifles. Action personalize. Moritur cum persona means. a personal action die with the person. The maxim injuria since demunum means infringement of private legal right without the damage a loss. The meaning of the maxim equality of equity is equality delights in equity. The meaning of audio ultum partum is means is everybody should be given a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. What does the legal maxim sui generis means? What do you legal maxim sui generis means? The only one of its kind. The Latin expression ubi jus ibi remedium means there is no wrong without a remedy. Vigilativius non dormitavius jura subvenient means law adds only the vigilant and not those who sleep over the rights. The maxim lacks none cogit and emosibia means the maxim lacks none cogit and ad emosibia means the law does not compel a man to do that which he cannot possibly perform. The maxim actus legis nemini facti injurium means the act of law injures no one. The maxim axio personalis moritum cum persona means a personal right of action die with the person. The maxim ignoranitia juris non accuset means ignorance of law is no excuse. Ultra-vires is a term used to mean beyond in excess of powers. The doctrine of restitutions is based upon the maxim actus curi neminium Gaurav bit. Ultra-vires is a term used for beyond the scope of power allowed and guaranteed by a character by law. The maxim allegiance contraria non est ordindus means a person alleging contrary fact should not be heard. The maxim nemo that could none have it means nobody can pass better title that than he himself him has. अगले वीडियो में हम और भी लैटिन मैक्सिम के बारे में जिक्र करेंगे। आज का वीडियो यहीं पे वाइप आउट कर रहे हैं। डेट्स ऑल।